What up, good people? We have Virginia Coastal Auto event. So, man, we about to take a look.
That screen is just...
So,
you can be blind to see that.
So yes, it's somewhat similar to the performance model. It's the 75D. You can actually get it 100D. P, I think it's 100D. We have to make sure that's correct. But, man, Tesla Model S, we definitely got to do a review on that one. I might have to come to the shop.
That's right. Come for a test drive.
Oh man. So you know for the XX. Wow. So no man, I film you a little bit. Can I film you? Sure. All right, cool. Got another special guest, man. We own it today. All right, so he's going to tell us about his Nissan 240SX.
My 95 240 with a twin turbo 2J with nitrous.
Cool.
So it gets the job done.
Dang. Got 2J, get the job done. We got it.
That's the Asian import. You're right about that. Nissan is the best Asian import.
Quarter mile times or high 10s.
Yeah,
So what's the quarter mile time?
It's a high 10.
What is your max, your top you ever pass you ever to you? Pass the speedometer?
I don't know how fast it goes.
Oh man.
I'm busy looking that way and holding on.
I feel you.
That's what I'm saying. I can't tell people like
it's automatic. Man, I don't know. I wouldn't be able to say.
Automatic.
Well, this has got a line lock on it.
Okay.
I got my scramble button for the nitrous.
Okay.
And then just in case I need it, I've got a brake light kill switch.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's
you never know when you're gonna need that.
You never know.
You just never know.
This is no joke.
Man, this is no joke. Man, I can't even compare. I had a Nissan 200SX, so I always wanted a 240SX. I couldn't find one at the time, so.
I bought this car 14 years ago when I lived in San Diego. It came into the shop as a theft recovery. Bought it for $800.
Wow,
Still, man.
That was a steal.
I had to put like $1,000 into it, but still.
Look at the app. Look at the app. This is well worth more than $800.
Look at it.
Awesome.
He really.
What size wheels?
They're 17s. Okay. The front is an 8.75 and the rear is a 10.75.
Okay.
The maroon is the original color of the car.
Yeah, but you two-toned it.
And then the black is tuxedo black from Ford.
Okay, that's nice.
The gray, the slate metallic, is from Nissan. So it's off of an Altima.
Yeah.
But if you look at the metallics in both.
Wow.
I don't know if the camera picking it up,
they're
but
exactly the same.
They are the exact same texture.
Yeah.
Same color, same density.
Check up with my boy Skip. Back.
Thanks for bringing me back.
You're welcome, man. You're welcome. So yeah, man, we out here, heading over here, about to look at some dope cars. Then we got some Camaros and some Mustangs. That's pretty dope right here.
Hey, that's funny, man.
Alright everybody, this is Mark.
So, yeah, so the photo shoot is done with it. So, but you got the DeLorean. The funny thing about a DeLorean is when it first came out, it was, people didn't know what it was. But it's like, I think it was like 10,000 or more now. But when it first came out, it was worth $14,000 when it first came out. It was not even hype like it is hype now. But the DeLorean is nice. Don't get me wrong, but when it first came out, didn't nobody care nothing about it. Back to the Future, they really did that thing, making that DeLorean what it is now. We got Herbie fully loaded in the back. Man, we got the log vehicle right here, back again in the vlog. Man, so yeah, it's pretty cool being able to come through the car event and just check it out. It's basically sounding like a classic with modern cars in it, but we definitely gonna get some classics in the show. So I know somebody said something about it, they bashed me in the comments. So I definitely got to show the love to the classic car. I don't know too much about the classic cars, but
Just look at that engine, man.
just look at it. The Chevy SS, it's a Chevy Camaro SS. Just look at the engine. It's pretty clean inside of there. Man, oh, we got a Chevy Z28 Camaro. But
you can't look at that engine, man.
You can't look at the engine. Dang, that thing is pretty nice. Follow me. Go down here to the vet.
The classic.
It's back again in the car. It's back again in the car show. Out here, I did a car. I did a car review. The Lexus LC500. Check me out. I'll leave a link in the description somewhere. But we got Charles, like you got the Tundra, you got the Tacoma, and you got the Toyota Camry. Man, I did a review on the Toyota Camry. I never did a review on the Tundra or the Tacoma, but it's coming. It's coming. Man, there's so many cars I have not put my hands on, but it's coming. We got the BMW i8 sitting in the for the detailers. I guess they already detailed it, but it's pretty dope. i8. We got the Camaro side swipe thing right here. It's pretty sick. Man, this ain't lit. That chain is lit. Along with the Camaro. Man, let me show you a little bit of it. Look at the engine. That's pretty cool. It's a Mopar. Then we got the Camaro right here. Dang, you got this red and blue thing, color thing, and everything. You got the front spoilers. Oh, I guess it's a, hold on, watch out. It looks like it's a V01. That's what it says. That's what it's telling me. The badge says right there, but it got stickers. Look what we got here. We got the Phantom. We got the Rolls Royce Phantom Don right here. Oh my goodness. This is my first time ever seeing. This is my first time ever seeing a Rolls Royce in person. Especially as a Phantom. We definitely got to take a closer look at it, but it's a Phantom Don. It got to be the. Oh, this. All right, cool. This is the owner of the Dodge Viper GTS. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Tom, nice to meet you, Tom. Can you tell my viewers about a little bit about your car?
This is a 99 GTS. The silver with the Connolly interior, they only made 22 of them. I don't know how many more exist.
Okay.
Factory, it had 450 horsepower, and now it has about 550 horsepower.
Oh, man.
A couple modifications.
Okay.
This is a high mileage. I drive it. I don't just let it
This is daily. My man said
it's got 103,000 miles on it, and I have fun. Some people, they're trailer queens. Not mine.
Hey, you heard this? My man said this is daily. He drive it because he got it. You got to drive the car just to love the car, man. Oh man. Dang, nice talking to you.
Thanks.
What's the fastest you ever maxed out at?
Charlotte Motor Speedway on the track, I had about 175.
175.
And it felt like I was doing 25.
You got the Grand Am. You got the Firebird out there. You got the Lincoln. You got the Mustang. It's a lot of Mustangs up here. Dang, y'all love y'all Mustang. We got the F350. It's pretty decked out. We got the gold and black contrast with the wheels.
Look at that lift kit.
That is massive. But you can see the bed. Right head over here to the interior match the exterior. Black and red. We got a boat car. So go ahead and tell my viewers about your truck. Man, it's nice, man. I always say that at the car shows, man, we're pretty close. You know, we hit each other up on Instagram all the time. And if you haven't, check both our Instagrams out. I'll leave somewhere up there on the screen. But yeah, check us out on Instagram. But yeah, tell us more about your truck. It's pretty dope. I see you got bucket seats in there now.
I do. Yep.
Last time we seen it, I don't think he had bucket seats.
Yeah, I did have bucket seats. Yep.
Oh, I ain't get into it.
Okay, I didn't have it opened up then, so.
So, alright, yeah, we're gonna take a quick detour around the truck. But every modification is there.
Okay. All right, sounds good. Appreciate it. All right, if you're coming along. So as you can see, this is a 2013 Toyota Tundra. It is the SR5 edition. It has a custom rear bumper and front bumper. In the back, I have a long travel suspension on the back side. Here, I'll go ahead and open it up for you. Has the McNeil Racing bedsides, fender, and hood with custom, or the latches in the back. Inside, I have 4 Beard racing seats with the Beard 4-point harnesses. Has a custom subwoofer box. It is lighted. Every time the bass hits, it lights up. On my tires, I have the Toyo RTs. They're the Ultra, wrapped in the Ultra Motorsport rims, 18-inch, with the Twisted Pro all-terrain rock lights. Up here, up the Fab 4 headache rack with the modifier, Chase modifiers. Up front, this is the custom bumper I was talking about with the KC lights on top of it.
What you got going on under the hood?
Underneath is pretty much the only thing under there is a air raid cold air intake, but other than that it is the 4.6, not the 5.7, but 4.6 still works and has, you know, puts a lot of torque, so cool. But other than that, that's pretty much it.
I just gotta ask him, do you offer
a little bit, yes.
Alright, cool. And that's talking to you, man. Good seeing you.
Alright, good
always.
to see you.
Yeah, love the truck, man.
Alright, follow me at Baja_Richie. Thank you so much.
Dang, you done messed my man up.
Everything I want you to do is introduce yourself, tell me about your mods. What you got going on?
Hi, I'm Austin from Evil Diesel. I am the owner. This is our 2012 Ram 3500. The motor's been custom built. The suspension's been custom built in-house. My shop did everything. The wrap is from Print Republic in Virginia Beach. Other than that, right now the motor is doing about 850 horsepower. 10 inches of lift in the rear, 6 inches of lift in the, 10 inches lift in the front, 6 in the rear.
I got one question for you. Can you haul that?
I can haul my ass.
That's it?
No, we can haul with it. This truck hasn't been on the road in the last 2 years. It's been being built in the shop. We have hurried up and finished it to bring it to the show.
What size insurance do you have on these?
These are 24.5 semi wheels that we had shaved down to 24s to fit regular truck tires.
Okay.
Wow.
37-inch tires on 24s.
Price fang, God feeling guy. Man, nice talking to you, sir. Man, it's pretty hard. The car is pretty dope.
101 Daytona, bro.
101 Daytona. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you've probably seen me post a picture about the Corvette Carbon 62. Oh, whoa, dang! He said he got me. Carbon 65.
Carbon 65. This is the 65th year anniversary for Corvette. The carbon stands for all the carbon fiber, the roof, the ground effects, the steering wheel, seats, dash, spoiler, it's all carbon fiber. Exposed carbon fiber. It's a rare car. They only made 650 of them.
Wow.
Carbon stands for all the carbon fiber. On the spoiler, that's a one-piece spoiler, not 3 pieces like on the other. And then the roof panel's carbon fiber. The exposed carbon fiber sound ground effects in the front, and the hood is carbon fiber. 650 total. 437 for the States. This is number 436. rare car. You won't see another one around here.
Right.
That's pretty cool. So you know what that means, right? You know what that means. ArtOfSpeedd got to do a car review on that. So we're gonna ask them right now. Can we do a car review on it? Not today, but another time. We just gotta meet up to the location. But can ArtOfSpeedd do a car review on that?
We can make it happen.
We can make it happen.
So we got him on camera, y'all.
We can make it happen.
Watch out for the
They call me General Lee, so you can't forget that.
General Lee got the Corvette Carbon 65, man.
How fast you took it? Is it your daily? That's the question.
Well, I drive it when it's sunny.
Okay.
I'm retired, so everything's a daily for me. So I don't go to work no more. But
okay.
What's your max speed with the tires?
I've only been 120 in it. That's it. Because it scared me. So.
At least my man is honest about this.
You get there so fast that it scares you. You ask yourself, how stupid are you going to be? So.
But at least my man is honest about that. And you got some people, I don't know, but you got some people who probably be sitting here lying. You know what I'm saying? Don't know.